Welcome to another Moto Showcase. On today's episode, I am just gonna bring you on a walk around of my DRZ 400SM, the MEG. But to make this fast, seems like it's going to rain and I'm at the outdoor area. Right, so this is it. It's 2006 model. Just let you take a look at all the parts I have on the bike itself. Just start off from the top here. The handlebar area, you can see it's running a Zeta clutch lever, and of course you can see an old mirror all banged up and stuff, held up with some wires and black tape. Oh, it's starting to drizzle already. The IU unit, which is for all the tolls and the parking and such. What else? Nothing much. What's this? Cycra handguards, kind of old, banged up as well. Let's move across. Some old taper handguards, such an ugly color, but will do for now. Up here you can see we've got the vapor meter. It also has the signal attachment at the sides. Also has this plastic cover which protects the vapor meter as well. Going across the other side of the mirror, and of course my throttle lock, which is useful for touring and stuff. So that's pretty standard. We got of course the Brembo lever, master cylinder I should say. It's pretty old as well. You can see the condition of it. Forward, you can see the Cycra handguards, kind of banged up. May want to change all this in the future. Right, coming down, we got some of the. I installed this 12 o'clock signals for the front and back. Was pretty good, but as you can see, the condition, the rubber doesn't hold up too well, so seems to wear off pretty quickly. It's pretty cool though. You can see there's the lighting when you change the signals. If I can get to it, so you can doesn't, and it's been held up by some cable ties. It's pretty nice, the signal lights. Okay, just switch that off. Coming down, of course, there's the key. May want to change the position of the key switch, but so far it's okay because I'm kind of used to it. At the side there, you can see the condition of the forks. There's also this Showa carbon cover, which actually I think caused the corrosion to the fork itself. I'm going to change the whole fork. Because of that, you can see it's all eaten up through the metal already. So just put this here to hold that in place. Okay, this is stock actually. Yes, of course, there's this carbon fiber fender, all worn out. You can see it's all eating through the condition of it. Stock headlight. Coming down to the wheel, I installed this 320 brake disc with the attachment for the stock calipers. Not too ideal because it seems that it only eats this section here, you can see, and as it comes through the brake pad, it eats a lot of the brake pad. So maybe I'll just change back to stock, or maybe I'll try out the Brembo calipers and see how it goes. Okay, then there's this Awkward placement of these Hella horns. Well, I think so, it's Hella horns. It doesn't state that it's Hella horn. It's shows like it's a blue something, but something similar for a bit of a louder horn sound. Okay, moving across. Everything seems stock. Condition of the plastics also not that good. Stock seat, comfort wise not so great. I got this big ass box here, the Kappa KGR. I think it's 52 liters. Pretty good for storage and stuff. Carry all my stuff. Oh yes, I forgot. It's also running FCR 39MX with of course the 3x3 mod cut out. All jettings all been done pretty good so far. Rear wheel nothing much, just change to the some what do you call that, red chain, just for looks. Alright, moving across to the back. I can see, like I mentioned, the rubber is not so strong for this 12 o'clock laps signal lights, using the cable tie, but it's already broken off. So technically it's because of you can see this section here where the plastic, it will hit the rubber and cause it to damage. So we'll find a way, maybe we'll black tape it next time for a newer piece. And then of course there's the DRZ H2 tail light, pretty good, nice and bright. This one is the with the tinted cover. Alright, to end off, of course, there is the Yoshimura Tricone stainless. I'll do a bit of a sound test, another video. Pretty good, but you can see needs a bit of a polish, but it's nice and loud for the prap sounds. And that's it, pretty much it. My walk around the DRZ. Just doing a quick video for you to take a look at it and see what's up with the MEG. So far, going to do an overhaul, planning to put in some new engine parts. Seems to be having a bit of problems, as mentioned in my previous Motovlog, with the findings of little metal shavings in the oil filter. We'll have to open it up, see what's going on, and then after that rebuild the bike. So you can see there's actually the background, people singing and stuff. There seems to be an event somewhere, but I had to decided to do this video for you guys. Hopefully if you want to see more of the MEG and the future build that I have for the bike, stay tuned for more on the Zero Bros channel. This is X0 signing out.